Conclusion. You now have everything that you need to plan for and implement successful Instagram ads. We recommend that you plan each ad campaign properly and set goals for each one. The more effort that you put in at the setup stage, the more likely you are to experience success. There are very few businesses which cannot benefit from the power of Instagram ads. Don't believe others who tell you that they don't work. They were probably approaching Instagram ads wrong. You can use Instagram ads to generate leads and sales. You can use them to increase your following on Instagram and improve your engagement levels. Think long-term when you are planning to use Instagram ads. Always be consistent with your content posting, whether they are ads or standard posts. You should use the same voice and tone for your business every time. It is vital that you build trust with your audience on Instagram. So, now it is over to you. You need to take action and follow the advice in this guide. Don't skip any steps in the process. Plan all of your ads and make sure that you split test everything. You can then build on the best performing ads. We hope that you found Instagram ad success informative and helpful. Get started today with your Instagram ads. We wish you every success with your advertising on the Instagram platform.